India's AI infrastructure race has got very expensive upgrade. IBM Intelligence has placed a binding order for 9,000 NVIDIA Rubin GPUs for its upcoming Hyderabad AI factory, making it one of Asia's early large-scale deployments of NVIDIA's next-generation AI platform. And this isn't just about buying chips. AMI is planning a 1 gigawatt compute business backed by more than $8 billion of planned investment. Now, the order covers 9,000 NVIDIA Rubin GPUs deployed through Vera Rubin NVL72 rack scale systems. Each NVL72 rack integrates 72 Rubin GPUs and 36 Vera CPUs, meaning the headline figure is 9,000 GPUs, not 9,000 complete racks. That distinction was extremely important for me to highlight. Now that I've done that, let me go along with what AMI is also continuing to do. Now, AMI expects delivery in the first quarter of 2027, and the hardware will power the first 30 megawatt of AI computing capacity at its Hyderabad facility. Now, the company says this cluster will be capable of running very large AI models, including models with trillions of parameters using high throughput networking and advanced storage. Now, this 30 megawatt deployment is only the first tranche. AMI plans to build 1 gigawatt of compute as a service capacity across India, the United States, Finland, and Malaysia, with an initial 200 megawatt expected to come online in the near term. Now, separately, the company has outlined plans for 5 gigawatts of powered AI data center infrastructure across India, the United States, and Europe, although the timeline for that larger expansion has not yet been finalized. And of course, the business model is extremely important as well. AMI isn't simply building a private supercomputer. It plans to sell AI compute capacity to cloud providers, AI labs, and organizations building their own AI models. Now, the company says its initial capacity has already been purchased by a United States customer, although the buyer has not yet been identified. And here's where AMI's parentage becomes even more crucial. The company was set up by the promoters of Greenco, a major renewable energy and energy storage player. AMI says access to low-cost, reliable power is one of its competitive advantages in AI infrastructure because, well, running enormous GPU clusters isn't just a chip problem. It's an electricity issue, a cooling problem, and a very significant capital constraint. Now, the Hyderabad facilities are being designed for high-density AI computing with liquid cooling to manage the heat generated by increasingly powerful AI systems, which then brings us to the front page take. But before we go into the details of that, IBM Bob presents Cypher 2026, which is India's biggest AI summit and expo. And well, if you've not said hello to Bob, he's on your screen right now. Say hello to Bob. Well, meet IBM Bob. Yes, the AI development partner helping developers turn bold ideas into real-world solutions way faster. So from code to deployment, build smarter and go beyond the vibe with IBM Bob. And I'm sure you've seen Bob. So that, I'm pretty sure, restores a lot of confidence in you when you're going to be going ahead and employing Bob's services. Now, of course, back to the front page take. Now, this is bigger than India buying 9,000 AI chips. AMI is trying to turn India's energy advantage into an AI compute advantage. The bet is cheap, reliable power plus the newest AI hardware can make India a competitive destination for global AI workloads. But the scale is enormous, and so is, by the way, the execution risk. Building a gigawatt of AI compute isn't just about getting NVIDIA hardware. It requires power, cooling, financing, customers, and most importantly, utilization to all work at the same time. So here's the question which I have for all of you. Can IBM Intelligence turn India's energy infrastructure into a very serious global AI compute hub? Or, well, is this one of the biggest AI infrastructure bets yet to be tested? Please do let us know what are your thoughts in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the IIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think IIM.